Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. So to celebrate 4th of July, I will try something different on my channel. I have a list of videos of people failing to use the fireworks. I must warn you guys right now, some of these videos might be graphic, but I can assure you that they are okay. Other than that, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. The first video that you're about to see right now is the reason why I admire fireworks from a distance.
That's a cool plan. Yeah.
I have no idea how these people didn't run away. I would definitely run away and leave my belongings behind. And also, I like how the woman said, "Are you okay?" You guys know what? Just check this out. Watch this. So this next video you're about to see is kinda graphic, and I do not recommend you to try this. If you do this, I 100% guarantee you end up in a video like this or in a hospital. One of those two.
All over. Oh God.
I have no idea why this guy thought it would be smart to hold a firework, and the rest was just a fail.
Oh shit! Hey! Oh shit!
This next one is a rock band playing, and one of their members decided to light up a firework right in front of them. At first it was pretty cool, but a few seconds later things turned around. Enjoy.
You okay?
There was going to be a fireworks show, but when they were lighting them up, it may fell on the other ones, creating all of them to light up at the same time.
Guys, go in. Here we go. Woo.
This next one was painful to watch. So what happened, this guy had a firework collection in his brand new Dodge Charger, and all of them light up. I have no idea how this happened. He had fireworks in his car and just all of them, I don't know, just light up. But if you have a theory what happened, please let me know down below in the comment section. I'll be checking it out. Yeah, these are some of the reasons why I hate fireworks. I admire them from a distance. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I will be willing to make more videos like this one. Just let me know in the comment section, and honestly, I had fun doing this video. Alright guys, so I will see you guys next time, and remember to stay wise. Peace.
Wise up. Whoa, whoa, wise up.